Hi, my name is Dr. Todd Rowe, and I'm here to share a few tips on using the homeopathic medicine Staphysagria or Staphisagre. Before I begin, I just wanted to say that nothing in this material is meant to cure, prescribe for, treat, or diagnose any illness. Please consult your homeopathic practitioner for treatment options. Staphisagre is a beautiful plant. Also known as Delphinium Staphisagre, or Delphinium Staphysagria, and more commonly known as Staphisagre. It's a biennial or annual plant that reaches about 4 feet in height and is indigenous to Europe and to Asia. It has a fairly hairy stem and flowers that have spikes of pale blue to purple in color. It hasn't been used much as an herbal plant. It has been used as a pesticide to kill lice or ants or even rats. But it has been used externally in skin diseases or for neuralgias. However, in homeopathic medicine, we use this plant a great deal. It's one of our most commonly indicated homeopathic medicines for many chronic conditions. Mostly today I'm going to be focusing on the acute usages, which include headaches, wounds that heal poorly, neuralgic pains, ailments from grief, bladder infections, styes, and prostatitis or orchitis. Some of the general characteristics of people who need this homeopathic medicine is that they're worse after sleep, even a nap. Also, they're worse after surgery and worse after sex or masturbation. Some of the physical characteristics of people needing this medicine include headaches, and they're often described as quite dull, sitting in the forehead like a block of wood. It's probably also one of our most commonly indicated homeopathic medicines for styes. It's a wonderful remedy for grief, along with Ignatia amara. Particularly when you have grief coupled with hair loss, you can consider this remedy along with phosphoric acid. It's a useful remedy for lacerations to the eye areas. There also can be a lot of dental problems or toothaches. It's specifically useful for facial neuralgia of all kinds, like tic douloureux. There can be twitching of the face or eyelids, and there can be a lot of abdominal pain, particularly after surgery. All of their problems typically will come on after anger or indignation or what we call mortification or shame. That tends to trigger a lot of these physical problems. It's one of our main remedies for bladder infections, particularly for women who develop bladder infection during their honeymoon. It's also useful in kids for bedwetting. You can use it to treat acutely orchitis or prostatitis. Most commonly, though, acutely use this remedy for the aftermath of surgery. And it's very useful for particularly surgical wounds of the abdomen or belly, and particularly for wounds that tend to not heal easily, or the skin is unhealthy or gets easily infected. You can compare this homeopathic medicine to colocynthis or causticum or nux vomica, which is poison nut, or pulsatilla nigrans, which is the windflower, or the element silica. You can order this homeopathic medicine at orders at amch.org, or if you'd like to know more about this medicine or other acute care medicines, You can find out about our acute care program at acutecare@amchh.org. Thank you very much.